How to make a letter in Google Docs. You can choose the template here. You can choose the template right over here in the middle, and then you can just replace this to whatever you want. Or you can also use ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT. Wait. You can also use ChatGPT to write you a letter instead. Continue with Google. Use your Gmail account. Then you can tell ChatGPT to write a letter. Write me a letter. To my boss. Or in the meantime, you can also set the page setup by going File, Page Setup. Apply the whole document, letter, page color, the margin, and everything. Also do the header and the footers, the page number and page orientation through format. And I think ChatGPT is doing a much better job than Word. Here it's much more better if ChatGPT does it, but you can do whatever you like from this on. That is how you're able to write a letter in Google Docs.